Okay, I don't know how this is gonna sound, but welcome to the first video with horrible voice acting. I just found some really cool tech, Lamau. That's like everything I'm gonna say. The rest of this vid is like a demonstration. Oh, also this image that y'all are seeing for this intro. By the way, I re-edited this so I could fit this in, and I like fit a few things in. This image was meant to be the thumbnail, but I need to verify my phone number for that, and I don't want to attach that stuff to YouTube yet. So I wonder if Ultrakill sound effects were playing in the background there. Yeah. Anyways, this was supposed to be the thumbnail. Hopefully, it can be. Hopefully, auto-generated lets me select this. Sorry, I might have been a bit loud. This is so low quality. It's so A double S Lamau. The wise man once said, "That rock."